Experience the serene charm of your new home at 6980 SouthEast Constitution Boulevard Unit 105, Hobe Sound, Florida. Nestled on the first floor, this lovely two-bedroom, two-bathroom condo overlooks the picturesque fifth hole at Heritage Ridge Golf Course. Feel the gentle ocean breezes from your screened porch, a perfect backdrop for relaxation or entertaining. This turnkey home comes fully furnished, featuring an updated kitchen with modern appliances, a newer vanity in the master bathroom, and essential updates such as a hot water heater from 2022 and a 2018 air conditioning system. For convenience, there's a stackable washer and dryer, and for peace of mind, accordion hurricane shutters are installed. Storage needs are easily met with an additional storage closet. Contact Susan Rezendes at 561-309-8910 for a tour.